video, we wanted to give a shout out to some of our loyal fans. Kaya Davis, Toys with New Moon Mood, Lizette L. Barron, and Bailey M. Horselover. And we'll leave a link down below to their channels. After watching this video, please make sure you go check out their channels. They're awesome. Give them a like and subscribe to their channel. If you want to be shout out in our future videos, make sure you subscribe and comment down below that you did that and we'll shout you out. For this craft, you'll be needing white glue, any activator you guys use, we're using Stay Flow again, glitter, and Model Magic Clay, a bowl, and something to mix with. So let's get started. The first step is to pour in your glue. We have a big gallon this time. Boom. It's like milk. Ugh, I got this. Strong. Go, Jace, you're strong! It's a lot. I can see, Jace. Okay, I see what you mean. Come on. Go, go, go. I can do it. Go. Oh, that was too much. Whatever. Okay, guys, now it's time to pour in your optional glitter. I'm going to go first to pour this. Wait, first we gotta put the cap on our glue. I know. Okay, let's open our glitter. Guys, I don't know. Okay, I'm done. The glitters are okay. The glitters are this iridescent glitter, this blue, this pink, and this this goldish yellow. Yeah. Blue and this pink. Neon hearts. Yeah, and they're all like neon glitter, so they're really pretty. I'm going to be using this blue. I wanted to use that one. We'll share it. And I'm going to be using this yellowish, goldish color that Jace can't get out. Want to use the blue with me? I don't have to use all of it. I'm using this pink. Okay, I'm just going to pour. Do you want the blue too? Or do you want some of it? Yeah. I only added a little bit. It looks so pretty, guys. Okay. But once we add in the neon orange. Oh, all my stars are showing. Now I'm gonna activate with Stay Flow. I don't know. I just like standing up. It's activating. I'm so surprised. Oopsie. Accidents happen. Flinging out of my veins! It's all that. They don't overactivate this. Accidents happen. Accidents happen. You're going to overactivate your slime. I got Stay Flow doesn't overactivate. See, look. See this, guys? Is this overactivating? Yes. It looks like guts, sparkly guts, guys. Jace has sparkly guts. I love getting messy. I sometimes do, not the best of messiness. The best way to get messy is in the mud. This is a workout, guys. For me, it isn't. You gotta be grip loaded activator. Because accidents happen. Oh, guys. That's getting tiring. More stars are over here. Some on the table, some on my hand, and then perfection. There's stars everywhere. It's awesome slime, guys. It is so slime. Someone said I overactivated. I did. I'm sorry. Accidents happen. Now I'm just gonna pour this onto the table. Ooh, mine looks pretty. But barely. The pink looks pretty, huh? Yeah, look at mine. You should add some pink. I did. But you didn't. a lot of blue stars.
I know, 'cause I like blue. Okay, this got just all over my arms. I'm so sorry.
Gotta take some stars, you know? But not crackers.
Okay, guys, we're done activating our slime. They look so cool and pretty.
She finally added in pink.
So now we're gonna add in our model magic clay.
Ours is like a neon orange, so
Yeah.
So that's why I picked the pink.
Yeah, because it like matches the neon and pink's like neon. We're gonna split half of it.
If you can get it out the wrapper.
Oh, it's so soft. It's so cool.
I have not ever felt clay.
Here we go. Do we have the same amount?
I don't know, roll it up in the bowl.
I'm gonna put lotion in this because I might make it softer. We need lotion. Oh no.
Well, mine already dropped in.
Can we have lotion? Can we have lotion? Okay, guys, my mom's gonna go grab lotion. Lotion.
All right, here's the lotion. I'm
gonna add something to my clay because that's what people usually do. And I'm just gonna, it's like, ugh, not good. I'm gonna add like, jeez, add like that. Jay's already added some. Just gonna add some lotion to this 'cause it's kind of hard.
Whoa, it's mixing now.
Good. And add some more clay. I mean, some more lotion.
Clay, where are you gonna get clay from?
Guys, not some.
Mine looks like.
I'm gonna, while she's thinking that, I'm gonna mix in all my clay lotion.
Oh, I made a bubble.
It's so stretchy.
I feel.
I'm gonna do
This is, I know how to make slime.
I'm gonna just make
Wait,
a
that's
slime swirl.
Oh, mine stretches too.
Cool beans. I'm gonna try to spread it now. It spreads like butter. We're back, guys. We're done with our butter slime. It turned out so well. I love the little glitters in it. But the stars kind of poke, so that's why I really don't write about it. And they kind of look black in the slime. But
If we added in the pink parts, they probably would have popped.
But for that, it spreads really good. Slime swirl. And it can make really good bubbles.
I haven't tried to make a bubble.
It makes pretty good bubbles. See that? It looks so cool when you make bubbles. Don't do that. Aren't you?
Nope.
Now it's gonna do a slime swirl.
Mine, I don't think it. It's like hard to spread. Hers is. I think I added more clay than.
Either more clay or less clay. We don't know.
Hers feel like she added less clay than I did.
It makes awesome slime swirls. I'm gonna crunch it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It's on top of Jason's head. Please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.